Alright students, today we are not just doing maths, we are entering the arena of the Suneung. Now for those who don't know, the Suneung is South Korea's college scholastic ability test. So it's very serious examination. Okay, so let's come to the question first. The question says, for the function fx is 6 pi into x minus 1 whole square. Gx is defined as 3fx plus 4 cos fx in the interval 0 less than x less than 2. How many values of x are there to make gx reach the minimum? Okay, and there are 5 options and we have to select the correct one. Okay, so now let's make some place. Yeah, just a second. Yes, so let's look at our suspects first. We have fx equal to 6 pi into x minus 1 whole square and gx equal to 3fx plus 4 cos fx. Okay, now notice how fx is inside the cosine. Instead of crying over the chain rule, let's simplify our lives. So let's call fx our new friend u. Okay, so gu is what? Gu is 3u plus 4 cos u. Alright, now what is the range of u? Which is fx when 0 less than x less than 2. Now if x is equal to 1, then u will be what? 6 pi into 0 square, that will be 0. That's our minimum for u. And if x tends to 0 or x tends to 2, then x minus 1 whole square tends to 1, right? So u tends to 6 pi into 1, that is 6 pi, right? Now the game is now finding the minimums of hu, that is 3u plus 4 cos u in the interval 0 6 pi. Okay, now to find a minimum we need the derivative, right? So let's find h dash u. Okay, so here h dash u will be what? H dash u will be 3 minus 4 sine u. Now to find the critical points, we set h dash u equal to 0. So we get 3 minus 4 sine u equal to 0, or sine u will be what? 3 by 4. Now remember, a minimum occurs when the derivative goes from negative to positive. Okay, so if sine u is greater than 3 by 4, then h dash u is negative, right? And if sine u is less than 3 by 4, then h dash u will be positive. That means the function goes up. So we need the points where sine u is 3 by 4 and is crossing from the above 3 by 4 zone to the below 3 by 4 zone. But wait, no. For a minimum, the slope must go from down to up. So we need h dash u to change from minus to plus. That means sine u must change from greater than 3 by 4 to less than 3 by 4. Okay. So let's look at the graph of sine u from 0 to 6 pi. So this is 3 full periods of the sine wave, right? So first comes the period 1, that is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so sine u is equal to 3 by 4 for 2 spots. First spots is what? Sine is increasing, like h dash goes positive to negative. So that's the max. Okay. Now second spot is sine is decreasing. H dash goes to minus to plus. Okay. So that's the minimum. Now the period 2. Period 2 is what? 2 pi to 4 pi. Same deal here. 1 max and 1 minimum. Right? And let's come to period 3 now. So this is 4 pi to 6 pi. Here also the same deal. 1 max and 1 minimum. Okay. So for the variable u, we have 3 values that make gu reach our local minimum. So you might be tempted to scream the answer is 3 and run to the cafeteria, right? No, stop. The question asks for the values of x, not u. So look at our original function. What was that? Just a second. Yes, that was fx equal to 6 pi into x minus 1 whole square. Now this is a parabola, right? Centered at x is equal to 1. Now every value of u except 0 occurs twice for x in the interval 0 to, and once on the left of x is equal to 1 and once on left to the right. Now we found 3 values of u that give a minimum. Are any of them u is equal to 0? Now see, at u is equal to 0, sine 0 is what? 0, which is not 3 by 4. So our 3 minimums are all at values of u greater than 0, right? Since each u maps 2 different x values, we take our 3 points and multiply by 2. So it's 3 into 2, that is 6. Okay. So there are 6 values of x where gx hits its minimum. Okay. So look. Turn the scary composite function into a simple one first. Then find where the slope turns from negative to positive. And don't forget that 1u can be 2x. Okay. So the answer is option number D, that is 6. Okay. So if you got this, you are officially ready to survive a Korean high school examination. Okay. So this was the whole solution, guys. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.